Hello everyone. Today I would like to deliver a very short course about language and humanity. Language plays a very vital role in relation with humanities and also the interaction between humans. When you speak with a language that can be understood by your interlocutor, the message goes to their heart. And because the message stays there in their heart, they can reply back and also give their positive comments and replies based on your own intention. In today's world, learning a language is not only about learning the structure, grammar, and also the vocabulary, but also how do people can build their own intention in order to build relationship and also cooperation in many aspects of life. For example, religion. Religion is not a separate entity that only understood by people at their own place, but also the expression of religion should be reconnected with how people live based on their own nationality and even borderless sovereignty of this borderless world. In my opinion, learning a language, for example, foreign language, whatever the language is, like Arabic, Mandarin, English, and the other foreign language, are very essential, very fundamental in accordance with how people will sustain their life, sustain their coexistent living for the sake of humanity. So learning a language is not only about learning how to speak, write, and listen. It's about how humanity will survive. Thank you.